Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips with Chef Swain. Today we are going to cut a pineapple. But more importantly, we're going to talk about how pre-cut fruit is robbing you blind. First things first, this is an easy way to tell your pineapple is ready. These pull out freely, that's a good sign. Today I went to my local Whole Foods market and they had pre-cut watermelon for a quart for $8. What? Ugh. And like a quarter of a watermelon for almost $3. Ugh. And a whole watermelon is $6. 3 for a quarter, 6 for a whole? That don't make sense. $7 for some pineapple, $3 for a whole pineapple. Alright, let's grab this whole pineapple and show you how to cut it. Gonna give our knife a quick once over on our steel to maintain its edge, and then cut off its spiky head and its butt. The next thing we're gonna do is just basically shave off this outside layer, little thin strips at a time. Now here you can see the core. We are gonna run our knife along this on each side to get all of that good pineapple. At this point, once you have the sides off, you're gonna cut it into the size of chunks that you desire. If you want larger or smaller pieces, that's totally up to you. As you're about to see, I have way more than just a quart of pineapple here, like the grocery store was selling, and I paid less than half the price for it. Now's a good time to say that I do think pre-cut fruits have a place for those who are disabled, the elderly, and even to cut down on grocery store waste. That doesn't change that the price is just absurd. Most fruit freezes really well too, so if you get too much from buying a whole one, just pop it in your freezer for use in smoothies or something similar later. If you want to see more quick tips on how to break down different fruits, like and subscribe. I put out videos every Monday and Friday, and I will definitely be doing more of these in the future. Have a magnificent day, and may your quest for food knowledge be bountiful.